Jim Crow laws, and the suppression of the black vote. After the 15th Amendment was ratified in 1870, guaranteeing that voting rights couldn't be denied based on race, Southern states began crafting laws to suppress black political power through poll taxes, literacy tests, grandfather clauses, all-white primaries, and outright intimidation. These laws were designed to sidestep federal protections and disenfranchise African American voters. Following Reconstruction, over 500,000 black men registered to vote, and nearly 2,000 were elected to office. But states like Mississippi responded with legal strategies to reverse these gains. The 1890 Mississippi Constitution introduced a literacy test and poll tax. James Vardaman openly admitted these measures targeted African Americans, saying, "We have in our Constitution legislated against the racial peculiarities of the Negro." By 1910, the results were devastating. African American voter registration fell to 15% in Virginia and below 2% in Alabama and Mississippi. The 1898 Supreme Court decision in Williams v. Mississippi upheld these discriminatory laws, paving the way for widespread voter suppression across the South. Literacy tests were especially harsh. In 1900, half of black men couldn't read, compared to just 12% of white men. White voters were often exempted through grandfather clauses, which linked voting rights to PI Civil voter rolls, excluding former slaves. Poll taxes, another barrier, were also used to limit black turnout. In Georgia, cumulative taxes drastically reduced black voter participation. Meanwhile, all-white primaries gave Democratic parties in states like Texas the power to exclude black voters altogether. That was struck down in 1944 in Smith v. All right. The Voting Rights Act of 1965 finally banned many of these tactics. Yet, the 2013 Shelby County v. Holder decision weakened key protections. Since then, new voter ID laws and limits on early voting have threatened to repeat history's mistakes.